Let's see what happens. Oh, it's not stuttering now that bad. Yeah, I kind of taken my own path. Oh, somebody had my back. Well, now I'm the terrorist. Well, that was a pretty good running test. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go to benchmarks. We're going to go to Night Raid. And we're going to run Night Raid. This time you guys get to see it the way I see it. You don't get to see it, me pointing the camera towards the screen and everything else. You get to see it the way I see it now. That's a good thing. So now y'all can see it the way I do. I hope y'all can see it the way I do. Oh my goodness, no. Uh-oh. I have to stop the video. Oh. Means I have to switch screens in order for y'all to see it. I'll be right back. We'll get the screen switched.